Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to solve guys screen color problem. Friends, you can see your phone screen show guys this interface on your Realme phone device. By how to fix this problem and by how to solve this problem today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. Friends, you can see when I on YouTube app, friends my phone screen show this interface, and friends when I on any app, example guys Google I will on, as you can see screenshot this interface. So how can I solve this problem and how to stop this setting on all Realme phone and friends all Android phone. Friends, you can stop this setting from your phone setting. Click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Realme mobile. Friends, click on Realme phone additional setting. After on additional setting friends, click on accessibility setting, and friends you can see this type interface on your accessibility setting. So friends, scroll it and friends click here color inversion setting, and friends click on right side this icon and guys stop your color inversion. After stop friends your color inversion friends, automatic your dark theme will off, light theme will on, and friends your screen color problem will solve on your device. Friends, you can on your YouTube app and you can use it. Friends, you can see skin color problem will solve on our real phone device. So friends, you can stop your current version from your phone setting guys. As you can see guys, now I will on guys Chrome app also. So like that friends, we can stop current version and friends we can use our phone without any skin color problem. And friends, you can solve this problem with shortcut setting also. That friend, first of all again we will on this setting. So friends, you want to use your color correction, friends you want to change your skin color mode. So friends, on this setting after on guys automatic dark theme will on, and friends you can see guys your phone screen will show this interface on your Realme phone device. So friends, how to solve this problem on Realme phone device? So friends, first of all open your phone setting and then click on phone search option, color setting guys, COLOR, and friends space INV setting. Click here direct friends, you can fix this problem. You can stop your color version on your device. After stop dark theme will off automatic, and friends you can use your YouTube screen without any skin color problem. So like that friends, we can stop and friends we can use color inversion setting on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.